Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. It has been a minute. Let's get started. I'm weird.
I go a little bit crazy sometimes. I get a little bit out of control with my rhymes.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know it's been a minute since I've done lunch with Tyty, but I've been too lazy on my part. I'm sorry, but I have some ingredients. Today we're going to be making grilled cheese sandwich with turkey bacon or turkey bacon grilled cheese sandwiches. I don't know how I want to call it yet, but yeah. So here are the ingredients: some bread, cheese, turkey bacon, okay, so I have a little baking pan right here. I put aluminum foil over it because 1, I don't want to do no dishes. 2, it catches the grease. And 3, it helps to get more crispier, I think, in my opinion. I don't know. So we're gonna put the slices in here. Here's 1. Oh, there you go. Well, they fit about 5. Yeah, most likely 4, but I'm going to fit 5. So it looks like this, and we're gonna put that in the toaster oven. Or you can opt for the microwave or oven if you want, but I just like using toaster ovens more because that's my jam right there. So we're gonna put in the toaster oven. I don't know how long to cook it though, but we'll see. We're gonna be here for a while.
A few moments later.
I am starting to regret my decision because this is taking forever to cook and I'm hungry now. I probably should put it in the microwave, but I don't like the results in the microwave. I'm more of a toaster oven person. Oh well.
2 hours later.
And the turkey bacon is finally finished cooking in my opinion. It's pretty decent. And I don't have anything. Let me go get a paper towel. Because I don't want to burn myself. And look at that. Time to put the bread in. Now, well, it's still hot. Time for the cheese. Okay, now it's time to assemble. We got 1 fresh out. We got our bacon. And yep. That's basically it. And then you get the top half. I made 2 because I am really hungry at the moment. And that is it. Shut up. Well, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you make this because it's real good. My dad used to make it for me when I was like in elementary school. When I tell you, like, when I first tried, I was like, yeah, that's probably disgusting. And it was like, it's actually very, very good. I recommend it to a lot of people. So you should try it if you have bacon. Turkey bacon, preferably, because best bacon. Anyways. Yeah, bye. I'm so terrible with outros. Like, comment, subscribe to. Call me for more videos. And I'll see you on the flip side.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to
And
me.
that's
Oh my
it.
god, this should be one of your outros. Even
Subscribe
though it has
for-
nothing to do with the video.
Subscribe.
Subscribe for clear skin.
Notifications, turn them on.
On.
You know?
Turn them on. And
Ow. It's so great.